Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Tech Savvy Engineer. This is an unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy M32 tempered glass, which is from Popio brand. You can see the branding and specifications on the back. It shows the color transparent. Now opening the box. Here is the unit which is inside a cover. Now opening the unit with the help of a knife. Placing a cut, then opening the unit. There is one dust absorber and 3 other guide stickers, which is helpful for placing the tempered glass. These are the two wipes, dry and wet wipes, which is used to wipe the tempered glass. These are the instructions. There are some features which are scratch resistant, anti fingerprint, touch sensitivity and anti glare. And now this is the tempered glass itself. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.